face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello everyone. I am Burn Beauty 2018 and welcome to Self-Care Sunday. I was just, I'm just getting out of the shower, washed my hair, and I've not been feeling that well this week, so I haven't made a YouTube. And then I thought, man, all the steps I just took to do my Self-Care Sunday, I should share those with everyone. So here we go. First of all, I start with my Olaplex treatment for my hair. Whether you're a bleach one or not, Olaplex is just really, really nice on your hair. And I start with Olaplex Zero. You leave that on for 15 minutes. Then you go to Olaplex 3. That's another 15 or so. I leave mine on a little bit longer, I think, sometimes. Then I hop in the shower and I wash with number 4, which is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And the Bond Maintenance, so it's maintaining your color. I don't know a lot about hair, but my hairdresser had me start using this, and my hair is just so healthy, even though it's obviously, bleached as much as it can be. I've been letting it grow out because I want to do a little different hairstyle, so that's why y'all haven't seen it. So after I used the number 4 Olaplex, I used 4P because I am a blonde. This is a step you can skip if you're not blonde, because this is a blonde toning shampoo, the purple shampoo to tone. And then I use the number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner and number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. I don't think you have to use the number 5 in this scenario, but I do because it just makes my hair feel so luxurious. So I use the number 5 for 3 minutes, and then number 8 stays on for 10. So it takes a while to do this process, and it's not something that I do on weekdays or any day that I'm, hustling and busy. But even before I was burned, on Sundays I would exfoliate my whole body, and I would use Nair to remove the hair on my legs to make it easier to shave, just getting ready for the week of work. And now that I'm a burn survivor, you got to do a lot of skincare. So I just started with my hair because, why can't I take this time? Self-care is 2 different things. It is this aspect of self-care where you're just taking care of your body, being clean and being moisturized, taking care of your skin as it's healing, and your hair. And then there is the aspect that's more spiritual, where you are making sure that the people around you are there for you and are good people and have the energy that you want, that people are really there for you and not against you, if that makes sense. Making sure that you show up for yourself every day, not just by cleaning yourself up, but by doing the things that make you happy and bring you joy and bring you peace. So today we're only on this one little element of self-care. I got this Acton Acre hair drying towel through my Ipsy subscription. That's IPSY. I use this towel because it dries your hair in half the time, and I used it last week, and it really did that. And so I've done all this stuff to my hair, but I anticipate wearing a lot of wigs this week and not wearing my natural hair. So I'm going to avoid putting any type of heat in it, even sitting under the dryer. So I'm going to let it dry this way, air dry. I've got oil in it, some Verb Ghost Oil, which I would show you if I wasn't doing this. Usually these little things work a lot better if you're a little bit drier, like not right out of the shower. They stick a little bit better. Verb Ghost Oil is the hair oil that I choose to use with my platinum hair. I do not use the golden Olaplex oil, only because it is golden and it puts a golden tint on my platinum hair. And I'm using the number 4P shampoo to remove any gold. So that's it with the hair. And while I'm in the shower and some of these things are processing, I love to use Dove exfoliating body polish every Sunday. And it's great, especially, I have skin grafts up top and skin donor sites down bottom. So it just feels really good to use this stuff. And I have the crushed macadamia and rice milk. I love it. I buy it on Amazon. I'll give y'all a link, because you can buy several of them, 3 or 4 at a good price on Amazon. So I use that all over my body while I'm in the shower. And my body wash that I use every day is Dove Restoring Coconut and Cocoa Butter body wash. I use this every day. Every time I get in the shower, this is what I use. I also buy it in a pack on Amazon. So then once I'm out of the shower and I've rinsed my hair and rinsed my body, then it's time to, even my deodorant, of course, is Dove. It works really great. It's soft and gentle on my underarms, which are affected by my burns. Then I throw in some Fenty what is this called? Luscious lip balm to keep that moist. If my lips are, a little dry, then I will use, I don't have the bottle right here, but I will use a Lush lip exfoliant. Lush, Lush is a company. I don't know if they sell on Amazon, but you can go to lush.com and they have lip exfoliants that are basically a sugar scrub. I think you can make it yourself if you look it up, but I buy it from Lush. So that is all done. There's a couple of things I haven't done yet. You notice, okay, so after I've got my deodorant on, I get my Butter by Q body oil. This is honey flower balm body oil. The only ingredients are jojoba oil, rosehip oil, apricot oil, avocado oil, and then another essential oil blend. No fragrance. It smells lovely, though, in a light, natural sort of way, because the oils have a scent. But it's not really I don't know how to describe it. It's not a fragrance, because I can put my perfume on, and there's no interference with it. And if you're irritated by added fragrances, then this is it. butterbyq.com. I stopped using bio oil and started using this because it works so well. And you can see I've got some on my chest. I'm shining. I put it on right before I started recording. I feel smooth. It also comes, if you don't want the oil, I use this sometimes if I'm about to put on like a white dress or something really fancy to model. I'll use the body butter, and it works just as well. But that was true with bio oil too. I would not use the oil if I was about to put on a light dress. So then I obviously use these lovely little under eye packs that I buy on Amazon. I'll put links to all these things because I don't actually know the names of them all. These are just things that I have accumulated or learned to use over the years to get this look out of my skin grafts on my face. So this is the golden under eye packs, not very expensive on Amazon. And then the lip mask is right here. I usually use this laying down. They don't really stick very well, so at nighttime is the best time to use this. And then I use a face mask 2 to 3 days a week. This one is Vitality, which is vitamin C. That really works to brighten your skin. I also have a collagen mask, which works to tighten. I try to mix it up because I need all of the above: brightening, tightening, lifting, everything. So I'll use a different mask. And these are the wet masks. You open it up and it's got eye holes and you put it on your face. Very cooling. Put that on at bedtime. Put this on. Put the lip mask on. And then put the mask on top and lay down in your bed for 20 minutes. It's amazing. So that handles that. But before you put this on, I have a real thing with, we keep seeing commercials with, let's see, something got delivered to me. Hold on. Someone came with chocolates for Valentine's Day. I know you saw him behind me. That's what he left me. I know you're only going to ask, what was that? It's chocolates. I don't know where he is, but thank you. So let's get back to this. Everyone, I keep seeing everyone with an eyebrow razor exfoliating their face, dermaplaning their face, and that is not what eyebrow razors are for. Eyebrow razors are for eyebrows. And if you are a burn survivor, the last thing you want to do is cut yourself. Eyebrow razors are sharp, excessively sharp. Think about it. They are designed to put a clean cut on a brow. So on Amazon, I got this long before I saw people doing it with the eyebrow razors, which are great for cutting wigs, but I don't even use it for that. I use scissors to cut the lace on my wig, or hair shears. I never use an eyebrow razor. It's that much of a danger of cutting yourself. So Flawless Beauty makes this dermaplane, and you can see it's a little bit different, or a lot different than an eyebrow razor. It's got some of my makeup or skin or something in it. Look, it even lights up. And when you do it, you'll see all the girls taking it and just going down their face and when they get done, they've got a ton of stuff. I don't know where they got that from because I have skin grafts that are thick and not that much comes off. So when you use it, I learned from an esthetician a couple of weeks ago, when you use it, you go upwards. It's a 45-degree angle and an upwards motion. And this is sharp enough to do the job, but obviously, you hear the sound it's making? It's not sharp enough to cut me. I mean, I suppose I could cut myself if I tried really hard, but this is what you should be using on your face, not an eyebrow, not the eyebrow razor, especially if you are a burn survivor. Do not put an eyebrow razor on your face, okay? So when you get done with that, that's when you can put on all those masks, because you want to fill your skin after you've exfoliated it with the dermaplane. You want to fill it with something that doesn't clog your pores and something that helps your skin in some way. That's how I got my face to look like this. So that's why vitamin C or collagen, whatever your choice is, but make sure it's non-comedogenic. And I believe that is the end of Self-Care Sunday, other than putting on something comfy and going downstairs and finally getting something to eat, because I've been up here doing this all day, but it's very relaxing. I'm just going to sit and let my hair dry, leave my mask on, and also a part that's not skincare, I'm going to journal out the week and write about my accomplishments and plan my intentions for next week. So that is how we do Self-Care Sunday, or how I do Self-Care Sunday. I hope you guys have a good day, and remember that whatever you're going through, this too shall pass. Love you.